The Supreme Court decided today states can enforce online retailers to collect sales taxes. KRK4 Washington correspondent Alexandra Lemon joins us live from D.C. And what could this mean for small businesses, Alexandra?
Well, this decision is great news for states because it means they'll be able to collect more online sales tax money, but some worry this could really hurt small online retailers. Online retailer Wayfair lost the Supreme Court battle over whether it can be forced to collect state sales taxes.
A lot of states and cities now are going to be benefiting from what's going on.
But not everyone agrees with President Trump that this Supreme Court decision is a good thing.
This Supreme Court ruling is going to create chaos for small businesses all across America.
Steve Del Bianco, president and CEO of NetChoice, an e-commerce trade association, says small online businesses and startups will have the burden of complying with thousands of different tax codes around the country.
The Supreme Court has upended the apple cart and dumped the apples all over Main Street America.
The Supreme Court justices sided with South Dakota, saying the state should be able to require online retailers to collect state sales taxes even if those businesses don't have a physical presence in that state. The decision says previous rules are outdated in an e-commerce era. Those rules were based on a previous Supreme Court case that Senator Heidi Heitkamp litigated for North Dakota.
We expect that this will be billions of dollars of revenue back to the states.
Senator Heitkamp argues the decision will actually benefit small businesses.
They provide that direct employment in those communities. They deserve to have a level playing field.
This Supreme Court case stems from a South Dakota law that applies to businesses doing more than $100,000 in business or more than 200 transactions in their state. But the Supreme Court decision applies nationwide. Now, because this case did come out of South Dakota, we know that that state will be able to collect an estimated $50 million more a year in sales taxes. However, estimates we've seen for the state of Arkansas really vary. Live in Washington, Alexandra Lemon, KRK4 News.
All right, Alexandra, thanks. And Little Rock Mayor Mark Sotola has been among those pushing for online sales tax collection in Arkansas. He reacted to today's ruling, saying online retailers should be required to follow the law and pay taxes, just like our local small businesses. Congress has failed to act for 26 years as the impact on cities, including Little Rock, has continued to skyrocket. He also called on the state legislature to act so that Little Rock and other cities can collect these sales tax dollars. The legislature took it up last year, but the proposals ultimately failed.